Hi everybody, today in this video I'm going to show you how BioLife app is not working, how to fix BioLife plasma service app. Okay, so first of all we will go into the Play Store and here we will search BioLife plasma service and make sure to use the latest version here. And if the app is not updated, make sure to update this app as soon as possible. After that it will fix your issue, but if it doesn't, you have to just click on and hold and you have to go to the app info management, and basically it will open the app management, and here you have to click the storage usage. Okay, and after selecting that you have to clear all your cache, and after clearing all the cache it will fix your issue, but if it doesn't you have to clear all data. Okay, and after that you have to re-log in into this mobile application. So this will fix your issue, but if it doesn't, make sure that you have to uninstall this mobile application and you have to reinstall it once again. Okay, and ultimately it will fix all your issues. Okay, so this is it guys. I hope you found this video really helpful, and if you did, don't forget to subscribe our channel, like this video. See you in the next video. Till that time, take care, goodbye.